Hello, today is Sunday, February 10th maybe. We left, what campground were we at? I can't think of the name. Oh yes, we were at Henderson Beach State Park for 2 nights. It was beautiful. We highly recommend it. Unfortunately, the weather did not cooperate. The beach was amazing. It was even better than Fort Pickens, but it was really cold. So we waded in the water. The kids swam a little bit, but too cold for me. Let's see. Henderson Beach was great. We left this morning. We went to church in Mary Esther, Florida, a church called The Sanctuary, so we recommend that. They were super friendly. We stopped and had Burger King chicken nuggets for $1, got 120 chicken nuggets, and now we are at Topsail Park, RV Park. And this is what our site looks like. There she is. Peter thinks he can go on the road. No, no, Peter. Come back here, Peter. Yeah. Oh. Here's another beach. We're at Topsail State Park, I believe. Topsail State Park. The waves look a little bigger. The sand looks just as pretty, though. Well, the sand is a little dirtier, actually. No, let's not get soaking wet. I don't know, ask Dad. Don't get your shoes all wet. I'll hold your hand on this side. Go, 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 Peter.
Gotta go forward.
There's kind of a stinky pond there. Hello, well it is April now and I am editing this video of the few days that we were at Topsail. And, Peter is here with me. He's got his snack, so it might be a little loud, sorry. You gotta be quiet, Peter. Alright, so I'm busting in here right between our first day and our second day. We stayed 2 days at Topsail. It was a very, very nice campground. It was very clean, very well taken care of. The campers were fit in pretty tight, which was the first tight campground that we had been to in Florida. So we were a little kind of, we didn't really like that. But quite a few other ones in Florida were the same. So that is not that big of a deal. Unfortunately, you saw we were at the beach and the weather was a little bit crummy. But Topsail does have a really nice tram system. So they take you from the campground down to the boardwalk of the beach. You still have to walk the boardwalk to get to the beach. And then there's a tram that goes back from the boardwalk, the end of the boardwalk, back to the campground, which is very nice because it's quite a long walk, especially with kids and if we were taking towels and stuff. So yeah, so we actually went to the beach twice. So the first one you saw, and then the second time I did not take my camera. I think I took my phone. I might have a couple pictures at the end here, but the weather just really wasn't nice. It was misty and kind of cloudy and icky at the beach, so we didn't do much of the beach. And also, after the first night here, we went to the beach, and then Joshua actually had a seizure. He was not feeling well, and we made spaghetti for dinner, and we were all sitting outside, but Joshua was not feeling well, so he went inside and went in his bunk to rest and lay down, which I thought was a good idea. but Kevin heard some thumping and went in there and he was having a seizure. So that really put a crimp in our stay at Topsail. So I think some of our memories from Topsail are kind of negative because of that. This was his second seizure. It was a febrile seizure. It was due to a fever, and so we did not take him into the doctor the first time we did, but they told us it was not a big deal, told us how to deal with it, so we just dealt with it. There, of course, it was very scary, and I'm very thankful that he was okay. So the next day, he was feeling better. He still did some things. He did not go with us back to the beach for the second time. He just stayed with Kevin at the camper. So that really kind of put a crimp in Topsail. You'll see he looks pretty good in the videos that I did take. He did catch our only fish, which you'll see. But yeah. So our overall review of Topsail was, we didn't really like it. It was our least favorite, but I think that the weather and then Joshua getting sick and having a seizure. Peter also got sick. He did not have a seizure or anything, but he got 4 molars while we were there. At least it started while we were there. But the campground itself, it was beautiful. It had a lot of good amenities, which we loved. I did a lot of laundry there, thanks to kids wetting the bed. So I know that their laundry facilities are very nice and clean, and it wasn't too expensive. I don't remember exactly, but it wasn't too expensive. It was in the normal range. They had a nice playground that you can see. We really liked that they had the shuffleboards, and not only did they have the shuffleboard court, but they also had the sticks and the shuffles, I guess you call. Several other places also had shuffleboard courts, but this was the only place that actually had the stuff so you could actually play. Sorry, Peter dropped his snack here. Oh my, can't reach it. Okay, here you go, buddy. There he is. Yeah. I'm cute. I'm cute. So the amenities were really nice. The pool looked nice, but it was closed due to some construction that they were having, and it was chilly anyway, so we wouldn't have been able to use it. But yeah, it was a beautiful campground, and we did like it, but we did have a bad experience because of the weather and Joshua. We were there, I believe, about February 10th through the 12th. I don't remember exactly, but
real good too.
Here's like me going up. I did the monkey ball.
oh,
I don't know if I can do it. All you have to yeah, who would you think it's from? I know. It's not even a swing.
Rebecca's getting stronger.
This is a dangerous rock wall. I can't get in.
why can't you get in? You're too big?
It really hurts your hands though.
Oh yeah, because you're heavy. You're putting a lot of weight on your hands. You're not used to it.
There's like some people that can do that in like 10 seconds.
Well, they're usually a little lighter.
And they're more used to it.
Yeah.
Because we would be on the monkey bars we have tons of times.
You're too tall.
Yeah.
No, he can't touch.
Caleb.
Oh.
No, he can't. He can't touch. You did it. You can reach the ladder though from 3 rungs in, but you did it.
Daddy's
Good job.
turn.
I'm videotaping my kids playing on the playground.
And don't break the monkey bar. Man, I think it's too hard to concentrate on holding your feet up and do the monkey bar. Peter, right
Good
there.
job. Good job.
No.
Alright. Caleb and Joshua are playing shuffleboard. You guys actually know how to play this game?
Not exactly. Dad just talked to us a little bit and barely told us.
Oh.
We're only mistaking one rule that we don't even know. We probably don't know a
Alright.
lot of things.
Well, let me watch you. You gonna let me watch you shoot?
What?
Are you gonna let me watch you?
Sure. It's Josh's turn to go first. Points. First round. Wow, it's trying to hit his.
I don't even see where his went.
I'm gonna knock Joshua's out.
Joshua's got a lot of them down there. Caleb's are going all the way off the board. Oh. It looks like you do it a little too hard, Caleb. So we are at Topsail, and while Caleb and Joshua are doing shuffleboard, Kevin is attempting to help the kids get fishing poles ready. Oh, say here, fishy, fishy, fishy. Back up, Rebecca. Say cheese, Peter. Whenever Peter sees the camera, he smiles big for me. He just fell down and bonked his nose. Yeah? So, there's the shuffleboard. There's the pool, but it's not any good. Not open right now. So we're by this little fishing pond. Yeah, you think the fishy's gonna come? Dad's getting them ready. Gotta be patient. Daniel, do you like fishing? Oh, this is Joshua's first fish. The first one we caught in Florida. A bluegill. Good job.
Do I eat that?
I don't know if we're gonna eat that one.